Rajasthan, literally meaning the land of kings, is a state in the northwestern part of India. The state covers an area of 342,239 square kilometers or 10.4% of the total geographical area of India. It is the largest Indian state by area and the seventh largest by population. Rajasthan comprises most of the wide and inhospitable Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, and shares a border with the Pakistani provinces of Punjab to the northwest and Sindh to the west along the Sutlej-Indus River Valley. It is bordered by 5 other Indian states: Punjab to the north, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh to the northeast, Madhya Pradesh to the southeast, and Gujarat to the southwest. The state was formed on 30th March 1949 when Rajputana, the name adopted by the British Raj for its dependencies in the region, was merged into the Dominion of India. Its capital and largest city is Jaipur. Other important cities are Jodhpur, Kota, Ajmer, Bharatpur and Udaipur. Rajasthan is culturally rich and has artistic and cultural traditions that reflect the ancient Indian way of life. There is rich and varied folk culture from villages, which are often depicted as a symbol of the state. Highly cultivated classical music and dance with its own distinct style is part of the cultural tradition of Rajasthan. Rajasthani cooking was influenced by both the warlike lifestyles of its inhabitants and the availability of ingredients in this arid region. Food that could last for several days and could be eaten without heating was preferred. The scarcity of water and fresh green vegetables have all had their effect on the cooking. Rajasthan is known for its traditional colorful art. The block prints, tie and dye prints, and zari embroidery are major export products from Rajasthan. Rajasthani clothes have a lot of mirror work and embroidery. The main religious festivals here are Deepavali, Holi, Gangaur, Makar Sankranti and Janmashtami, as the main religion here is Hinduism. Jodhpur is the second largest city of Rajasthan and officially the second metropolitan city of the state. Jodhpur was historically the capital of the Kingdom of Marwar, which is now part of Rajasthan. This city is a popular tourist destination featuring many palaces, forts and temples set in the stark landscape of the Thar Desert. It is popularly known as the Blue City among people of Rajasthan and all over India. What is interesting is Jodhpur is called the Blue City because most of the houses in Jodhpur are painted blue to keep the termites away. Basically, the houses in the city of Jodhpur are painted blue in color, thereby giving the city a sky or sea-like look when sun rays fall on the city. The rainy season starts from the month of June and goes up till September, but famines keep occurring in the area since the city is situated right next to the Thar Desert. While some of the households of Jodhpur say that they paint their houses blue so as to keep them cool, but more or less they are just following the tradition set by their ancestors of painting their houses blue in color. Apparently, this tradition was started by the Brahmins, who started to paint their houses so as to keep a distinction between the upper class and the rest of the people. There are numerous tourist attractions in Jodhpur that enchant the tourists. Jodhpur houses one of the most expensive hotels in the world. The Umaid Bhawan Palace is one of the largest and most expensive heritage hotels in the world. Recently, it has been voted as the world's best hotel. It was built in the year 1943 and is also the private residence of the royal family of Jodhpur. From all the modern amenities to a paradisal atmosphere, this architecturally built palace provides its visitors with everything. It is a known fact that the regions near Jodhpur faces drought once every 4 years. As per local legends, it is said that after a hermit named Chiriya Narji, who used to live on the hill where the fort is built, was forced to move by Rao Jodha, he cursed the entire kingdom with water scarcity. Since then, once every 3 to 4 years, the city and its surrounding region have been facing drought. Udaipur is a city in Rajasthan which is also called as the City of Lakes. It is the historic capital of the Kingdom of Mewar in the former Rajputana Agency. The city is located in the southernmost part of Rajasthan near the Gujarat border. It is surrounded by the Aravalli range which separates it from the Thar desert. Dubbed the most romantic spot on the continent of India by British Administrator James Todd, Udaipur is a tourist destination and is known for its history, culture, scenic locations and the Rajput era palaces. It is popularly known as the City of Lakes because of its sophisticated lake system. It has 7 lakes surrounding the city. Besides lakes, Udaipur is also known for its historic forts and palaces, museums, galleries, natural locations and gardens, architectural temples, as well as traditional fairs, festivals, and structures. Here are some interesting facts about Udaipur. Udaipur came into existence by a saint's inspiration. Once upon a time in the 15th century, when Maharana Uday Singh II of Mewar dynasty was on his way to hunt near the Lake Pichola, he came across a sage who advised him to build a palace on a particular site and blessed him that it would be a safe place for him and his people. That's how the city of Udaipur, which lies on the slopes of Aravalli Hills, came into being. Udaipur houses Asia's second largest artificial lake. Jaisalmer Lake has earned fame as the second largest man-made lake in Asia. The lake covers an area of 87 km square when full and it is 102 feet deep. The artificial lake was the brainchild of Maharana Jai Singh in the 17th century. Udaipur's Kumbhalgarh Fort is a heritage site for its vastness and impressive make. The fort is located more than 80 kilometers from the city and has the world's second longest wall after the Great Wall of China. The wall of the fort extends 36 kilometers. It was meant to be an armor against enemy-led invasions. There are 7 fortified ramparts and 300 temples inside the fort. Legend also has it that the renowned ruler of Mewar, Maharana Pratap, was born in Kumbhalgarh Fort. Udaipur has been a primary source of copper and zinc for India since the medieval period. Definitely add Udaipur to the list of places you plan to visit and experience its beautiful cultures and traditions. Jaipur is the capital and the largest city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City due to the dominant color scheme of its buildings. It is located 268 km from the national capital New Delhi. Jaipur was founded in 1727 by the Rajput king Jai Singh II, the king of Amer, after whom the city is named. It was one of the earliest planned cities of modern India, designed by Vidyadhar Bhattacharya. During the British colonial period, the city served as the capital of the Jaipur state. After independence in 1947, Jaipur was made capital of the newly formed state of Rajasthan. On July 6, 2019, UNESCO World Heritage Committee inscribed Jaipur, the Pink City of India, among its World Heritage Sites. The city is also home to UNESCO World Heritage Sites Amber Fort and Jantar Mantar. The Hawa Mahal, literally meaning the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze, is a palace in Jaipur, approximately 300 kilometers from the capital city of Delhi. Built from red and pink sandstone, the palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur, and extends to the Zenana or women's chambers. The structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, who was the founder of Jaipur. He was so inspired by the unique structure of Khetri Mahal that he built this grand and historic palace. The original intent of the lattice design was to allow royal ladies to observe everyday life and festivals celebrated in the street below without being seen, since they had to obey the strict rules of Parda, which forbade them from appearing in public without face coverings. This architectural feature also allowed cool air from the Venturi effect to pass through, thus making the whole area more pleasant during the high temperatures in summer. Here is an interesting fact about Jaipur. We all know that Jaipur is called the Pink City, but have you ever wondered how the name Pink City captured the frame? To your surprise, the city was painted entirely in pink color in order to honor and welcome the visit of Edward, Prince of Wales. It was done in the year 1876 by Maharaja Ram Singh.